In this video, I will show you how you can transfer your files from your Android device to your iPad. But before we start, just make sure that you have signed into with the same Gmail address on both devices. After you've done that, now on your Android device, just open the Files app. Now after you open the Files app, just select the document which you want to share. For example, I will select this photo. Now just tap and hold on the photo to select it. Then just tap on the Share button. From this menu, just look for Google Drive, and after you find it, just tap on it. Now under location, you can select the location in Google Drive where you want to save this file. Currently, I will just upload it to my drive, and from here you can change the name of the file which you're uploading. Now once you're done customizing the name and the location of the file in Google Drive, then just tap on Upload. Now just wait for a couple of seconds for your file to be completely uploaded to Google Drive. After that, now on your iPad, just open the App Store and in the search bar, just search this. Now just make sure you install Google Drive on your iPad, and after that, just tap on Open. From here, just make sure you sign in with the same Gmail address as the Google Drive on your Android device. Now after that, in Google Drive, just look for the location where you have saved your document. As you can see, this is the file which I have shared from my Android device to my iPad. Now if you want to download this file from Google Drive to your iPad, just tap on the three dots over here, and from this menu just select Download. Now just select Allow, and after you do that, you will download the selected file to your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.